may be aware that Poland is a NATO partner, and what that means is that if anyone attacks Poland, the other NATO members have to come to their defense. And sadly, I just heard that some Russian missiles have landed in Poland and have killed 2 Polish people, and that is a prerequisite for NATO to get involved, which means that this Ukrainian-Russian war now can escalate and bring multiple countries into it, including Canada, US, and just about every other NATO country. So yes, we're headed for some pretty serious issues here. Don't know why Russia would risk this, but apparently they have, and sorry to bring you this news. Anyway, folks, keep prepping. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills. Yeah, short and sweet. Don't know what else to say for the moment. Too early. Okay, see you soon.